Otis havstället.
Sånt sketch i Lahden Ankkurin puolella.
There is.
Proomukatu then.
Yeah, it's in Ankkuri, Lahti, Finland. Built in 2004, and this new recipe 1 and the 3838 the capacity site version, so it's in 30 grams and it's finished in 2005.
Yeah.
So this is from late 2004. But it's those Gen 2 or?
Yeah. And
It's I'm not sure.
yeah, maybe not.
It's some interesting.
Yeah.
Okay. So second ride here.
Yeah.
Floor one is green.
Yeah.
But they have covered these walls because there's a renovation going on here.
Niin speedbike-wise, mutta meitä nyt autossa on nowadays.
It was difficult to get inside here, but we did it somehow.
Yeah.
Yes, and it has 6 floors here.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's it. Thanks so much.
Close the door.
Yeah.
Nobody is coming. That's